Learn small talk in English for daily life. English conversation practice for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk, the place where learning English feels natural and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Emma, and hello to all our lovely listeners around the world. It's great to be back for another episode.
It certainly is. How are you today, Jack?
I'm doing pretty well. I had a big cup of tea this morning, so I'm ready to talk.
That's a good start to the day. I'm feeling great too, especially because today's topic is one of my favorites.
Ooh, tell us, what are we talking about?
We're talking about small talk, those short, friendly conversations we have every day in real life.
Ah, small talk, the secret ingredient to sounding natural in English.
Exactly. Many learners find it difficult, but it's actually quite simple once you learn the common phrases.
Brilliant. So, if you're listening right now, grab your tea or coffee, relax, and let's practice some real English together.
And before we dive in, just a quick reminder. If you enjoy learning with us, please like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends and family.
Yes, your support helps us a lot, and it keeps this podcast going strong.
All right, let's begin with something simple. Getting coffee.
Yes, I do that every morning. Perfect chance for small talk.
Okay, I'll be the barista and you'll be the customer.
Got it. Here we go.
Good morning. What can I get you today?
Hi there. Can I have a large latte, please?
Of course. Would you like any sugar or milk with that?
No sugar, but a bit of milk, please.
No problem. Anything else? Maybe a muffin or sandwich?
A blueberry muffin sounds lovely.
All right. 1 latte and 1 muffin. That'll be £4.50.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a minute. A full, polite, small talk moment.
Yes, and the phrases are so useful. Can I have? Would you like? Here you are. Thank you.
Exactly. Simple, polite, and friendly. That's how you sound confident in daily English.
Scene 2. Shopping for clothes. All right, let's go shopping. My favorite hobby.
Okay, you're the customer again. I'll be the shop assistant. Hello, can I help you find something today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
No problem. What color do you like?
Blue, maybe. Do you have anything in blue?
Yes, this one is new. It's a bright blue.
Oh, that's nice. What size is it?
Medium?
Perfect. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is just over there.
It fits really well. How much is it?
That's £15.
All right. I'll take it. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Here's your bag. Have a lovely day.
You too. Thanks.
See? That's a simple and friendly shopping conversation.
Yes, and you can always start small talk by saying, "Hi, how are you today?" Or, "That's a lovely color." It makes the chat natural.
Scene 3. Asking for directions.
All right, now imagine you're traveling and you get lost.
That's me every time I travel.
Okay, then this will help. Always begin politely with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Sure. Go straight ahead, then turn left. You'll see it next to the big park.
Go straight, then left. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. That's easy. Just remember, excuse me, can you help me? Where is the...
Yes, and say thank you every time. Politeness makes a meeting new people.
Okay, what if I meet someone new, like at a party or a class?
Ah, the classic situation. Let's act it out.
Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name?
Hi, Jack. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the event?
Yes, it's lovely. And you?
Yeah, great atmosphere. Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
Manchester. I'm visiting for work.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I'm an English learner.
And you? I'm a teacher. So perfect match. You see, just simple questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? And the conversation flows naturally.
Scene 5. Talking about the weather.
Ah, yes. The British favorite, the weather.
Of course. It's the easiest small talk topic ever.
It's such a lovely day today, isn't it?
Yes, finally some sunshine.
Or if it's raining, I can't believe this weather.
I know. I need a boat, not an umbrella.
So true. Talking about the weather is a safe and friendly way to start chatting.
Mini quiz time.
All right, quick quiz for our listeners. How do you politely start small talk? That's right, by saying excuse me or hi, how are you?
And what's a nice way to end a conversation?
Perfect. It was nice talking to you. Or have a great day.
So today, we learned how to make small talk in English at a cafe, in a shop, while asking for directions and meeting new people.
Yes, and remember, small talk builds confidence. Don't be shy. Start with a smile and a simple hello.
Exactly. And before we say goodbye, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to Smart English Talk, and share it with your friends.
Yes, and we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, where do you practice your English?
That's a great question. All right, Jack, time to wrap up.
It was lovely chatting with you today, Emma.
And with you too, Jack. See you all in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.